Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today is the last day. That's right, at midnight, it changes the NFT, the UK $5,000 NFT. It changes to $10,000. Do you want to get in? There's different ways you can get in right now. Either you pay the $5,000 or you join our SSN Lifestyle Ring of Fire opportunity where you can put in a portion, $250 minimum contributions, but you have to do it by 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and send me a message. All those who are already in, congratulations. Let me know if you want to go for the $2,500 Benelux NFT if we don't reach the $5,000 goal. We're already at $2,250. We only need $2,750 left. And remember, I have more to talk about here to help you. Passive income, ladies and gentlemen. No monthly payments. One time set it and forget it. Come along for the ride. And welcome. Stop struggling now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. Today's a very important day, so please make sure you share the video with whoever you know. You never know who's looking for something. Now, let's recap, shall we? Because again, a lot of people still haven't heard of this opportunity. An NFT, crypto that's backed by real stores that actually make money, and then the stores, the business shares the profits with the NFT holders. That is where we're at here with the cash flow NFT, which is the Boogie Gopher Club NFT backed by Miracle Cash and more. Full transparency is what they plan on doing, but you have to get in now. This is ground floor opportunity. They just got a $50 million funding situation, and then there's going to be even more $250 million potential. That means your NFTs, our NFTs, are now worth a lot more. So after midnight tonight, March 7th, 2023, guess what's going to happen? The $5,000 UK NFT, it's going to go to $10,000. For all those who want to get a Benelux NFT for $2,500, there's only less than 50 left. There's about 30 left. You have to order it now. USDT, you can send crypto. You have to go use the Miracle Cash and More link down below in the description. Now, after midnight, it's going to cost $10,000 for the Benelux NFT. We have our own group opportunity, SSN Lifestyle, cash flow, business opportunity for the $5,000 NFT. We are up to $2,250. Let's get that to $5,000, and then you will have part of that $5,000 UK NFT before it goes to $10,000 instant equity in 24 hours. Now, here's the thing. Down below in the description, you'll find the cash flow NFT $5,000 business opportunity. Everybody who doesn't want to spend $5,000 to buy their own, you can do the cash flow NFT $5,000 business opportunity, and you can put in a minimum of $250 or $500. It has to be $250 increments. And to understand, when they pay out the commissions every month, whether it's the end of this month or the following month, that'll be the first payouts, and you receive the percentage you put in. So if the NFT is $2,000 for commissions is sent out and you put in $250, you would then have a 5%. You could do 250 divided by 5,000, that gives you 5%. So you would be entitled to $100 that month. If you put in $500, that's 10%, you would be entitled to $200. So that means 5% is $100. Sorry, we're talking about $2,000 commission. 5% is $100, and 10% would be $200. And if you put in $1,000, for instance, that's 20%. So you would receive $400. So hopefully that helps you understand. And that's every month. Full transparency by the company, which will have a boogiegopherclub.com website. And Hakan, the owner of Miracle Cash and More, and the guys at Cashflow NFT, they are going to put up the numbers so nobody can be in dispute. Anybody around the world can actually look up the numbers. And they're going to look up, how did I miss out on these NFTs? Stores, deals by Vodafone. 4,000 stores in Germany, they have a deal where they're going to have Miracle Cash and More Miracle Deal, which is part of the Miracle Cash ecosystem for profits. Miracle Deal is a lending program that's going to work well in the telecommunications stores. They have 4,000 stores. Can you imagine having ATMs and the Miracle Deal in half of those stores? Every time there's a transaction on the ATM or AVM machine, part of those profits goes to NFT holders. The evaluation of the overall NFT holders is going to be through the roof, especially with the $250 funding. So that means everything goes up, and that's why the NFTs are going to $10,000. It's pretty simple. So here's the last call for this, ladies and gentlemen. Under $10,000, there are no other NFTs that are out right now. Sure, there may be one out in the future, but right now there isn't. So it's up to you if you want to make sure this happens. I have other videos that you can check out where you can see and read and understand what's going on with Miracle Cash and More. So let's go to the screen, shall we? You guys know I talked a little bit, but you know how we do this. This is the SSN Nation Stop Struggling Now YouTube podcast page. Please, over here on the right-hand side, as I mentioned before, here's the subscription button in black. But notice the join button. These are members down here. They show a few members of the channel now. So please join to become a member of the channel, because on Wednesday nights, you are the only ones that can be in the chat room. Wednesday night at 8:50 p.m. And you can join me on any live stream, because only members with the icon have links to get into the actual live stream to join me on screen and discuss anything they want to discuss. You also receive 1 or 2 videos per month. You receive special messages, especially for members, and extra discounts on like gear and everything else like that. Now, let's get into this further. I'm moving along quite quickly because it's already past 3 p.m. and by the time this gets uploaded, it'll be 4 p.m. So that means the window of opportunity is shrinking. But this is Miracle Cash and More. If you want to buy your own NFT for $5,000, then I suggest you use the link down below for Miracle Cash and More. You're going to sign up at Cashflow NFT, and this is where you're going to go to buy this. You can use USDT crypto, but it can be ERC20 and TRC20. Those are the only USDT chains you can use. Now, this Benelux is 5,000. They have about 30, probably 20, probably 10 by now that's going to be left. By the time you see this, you need to send in $2,500, and then you have to contact payment@cashflownft.net to send them the transaction ID number and your name, because you have to sign up here at Cashflow NFT. So when you go down below in the description and sign up with, use the link for Miracle Cash and More, it takes you to Cashflow NFT. You have to sign up with an email address, with everything, and then you're going to have to connect your wallet too. But the fact of the matter is, you don't have to connect your wallet right now. If you want this $5,000 or $2,500 Benelux NFT, you're going to have to wire them money. And I'll have wire instructions down below, by the way, because that's where you have to send it. It's international, and you're going to have to wire it. Then you're going to have to send them a copy, screenshot, photos, and send it to them and say, hey, I actually did the wire. And to, again, payment@cashflownft.net. All right. If you have any questions, you can always make comments or send me a message at support@stopstrugglingnow.com. That's support@stopstrugglingnow.com. Everybody on podcast, you can't see what I'm talking about, but at least you can hear me. And they have no promo codes anymore because, again, tonight it's over. these NFTs are going to go to $10,000, whether it's the UK or the Benelux. So you have an opportunity of a lifetime, I feel, but do your own due diligence in the next hours and get in is a highly good, great suggestion that I'm saying. Now, let's get it back to if you want to join the group. Again, I must say, if you pay with PayPal, then you're going to have to pay with 3%. So you're going to have to check out, and there's a box that says, I'm going to pay the transaction fee. Otherwise, you're going to lose about 3.7%. So if you put in 500, that means you really put in 480 after they take out that 3.7. So then it's 480 divided by whatever the commission that they send out that month, and forever for the next 4 years. At the end of 4 years, they're going to go on and try to do exit strategy. That means they're going to sell the whole company. This is beautiful. You got to love it. And so here's where you go, ladies and gentlemen. The link is down below for the cash flow $5,000 NFT, and this is where it takes you. Minimum $250, as I said. You can put in $500, $750, $2,000, $1,500, $1,000, $2,750 is left. And again, whatever you put in, divide that by the cost of the NFT, which would be $5,000 if we reach that goal, and that gives you the percentage on the commissions that you're going to receive every month. Again, PayPal, Venmo, you can do that. So therefore, there's people that can pay the $5,000, may want one. There's others who may say, I don't have $5,000, but I do have $1,000, or I do have $250, or I do have $2,000 that I'm going to put in here. So get to it, ladies and gentlemen. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually show a video so you guys get an idea who may not be familiar with this. I'll show you a video so that way I don't have to continue explaining, because the video would probably be 20-25 minutes. But again,
if there was a way you could have partnered with Elon Musk before Tesla, before the Model S, before SpaceX, and before Elon became the world's richest man, would you at least have wanted to know how? If there was a way you could have partnered with Jeff Bezos when he was planning Amazon.com and it could have made you a fortune, would you at least have wanted to know about it? Well, what if there was a fintech company today that is about to capture major market share worldwide, where millions of people will be using its breakthrough technology and you could make an absolute fortune? Would you at least want to know about it? At the same time that we are experiencing record inflation, gas prices through the roof and headed towards a recession, the move towards crypto adoption worldwide is picking up pace, and the evidence is all around us. Big names and big money players are jumping in the game like crazy. The Staples Center, where the LA Lakers play, is now the Crypto.com Center. The Super Bowl, the most expensive commercial time on television, featured 6 cryptocurrency ads. Tom Brady, Matt Damon, LeBron James, and Larry David all made appearances in them. Facebook changed its name from Facebook to Meta. The rapper Eminem bought a Bored Ape, an NFT, for $450,000. Warren Buffett invested over $1 billion in a Brazilian crypto bank. Coinbase bought Bitcoin Turkey for $3.2 billion. You know what they say, success leaves clues. Whenever there is economic change in the marketplace, there are economic winners and there are economic losers. It just depends on what side of the equation you end up on. They also say that timing is everything. How would you like to get in on the next big thing? Are you ready for a miracle? How would you like to own a piece of Miracle Cash and More? The first to market brick and mortar crypto stores, crypto on the street, with stores in every major city all over the world. Unlike the faceless online competitors that have no phone number to call, no physical address, and no one to talk to, Miracle Cash and More stores are fully regulated, licensed, and our wallets are insured by Fireblocks. At Miracle Cash and More, we own our own cryptocurrency exchange. We own our own stablecoin. We own our own ATMs. We own our own merchant terminals. And guess what? We get paid on every single transaction. The secret, if you want to call it a secret, is to get involved before the whole world knows about it. Position yourself in front of the masses before the masses react. Here's the current offering. There are only 1,488 shares of the Master Franchise Agreement for all of the United Kingdom. Each share is projected to profit over $100,000 in year one, $200,000 in year two, $400,000 in year three, and $900,000 in year four. We have an exit strategy that projects a payout of over $10 million per share. And what does that cost to you? A one and done payment of just $5,000. And of course, you can buy as many shares as are still available. Now the question is, do you at least want to know how? I sincerely hope so, because the best is yet to come.
Vodafone, Germany, deal. They also signed 2 other deals because of that Vodafone deal, because the partners in Spain are partners with the people in Germany, so they're going to get it. People from Belgium, who was already talking to Miracle Cash and More telecommunications company, they contacted them after the Vodafone deal. The people in UK. So this is going to blow up. Other companies are going to take advantage of this because there's nothing like it right now. First people mover. So you have an opportunity, passive income. There is no monthly payments. Once you buy your NFT, that's it. We just sit back and whatever commissions that are earned, they pay out every month. And with all that said, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, again, comment down below or send me an email at support@stopstrugglingnow.com. I'll be paying attention the rest of the evening, because once these things go up to 10,000, that limits who can buy these even further. So just keep that in mind. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here, ladies and gentlemen, and this is why we always look with no qualifying, no credit check, no barriers to entry that anybody can get into, and then you can earn passive income. Yes, it's a risk, but everybody takes a risk with your hard-earned money, no matter what you put your money into. But you have to do your own due diligence here. You have to make sure this works for you and your type of investing or type of business that you want to put your money into. So once again, this is a set it and forget it. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.